In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your My Robot Vacuum Mop P to the My Home app step by step, so you can control your vacuum right from your phone. First, make sure your vacuum is fully charged and turned on. Download and open the My Home app on your smartphone. Sign in or create an account if you don't have one yet. Next, tap the plus icon to add a new device. Search for My Robot Vacuum Mop P in the device list and select it. Follow the instructions to put your vacuum in pairing mode. Usually, you need to press and hold the power button until you hear a voice prompt or see a blinking light. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, since the vacuum only supports this frequency. Enter your Wi-Fi password when asked and wait for the app to connect to the vacuum. Once connected, your vacuum will show up in the app. From here, you can start cleaning, set schedules, check cleaning history, and customize settings easily. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more smart home tips and guides.